Well, we are back at Brothers Tech Center today, and we're finishing up Eric's Blazer. We got our interior coming along really nice. We got brand new carpeting in, and we want to make sure that the carpeting lasts as long as possible. Your problem that you run into with carpeting is you have all the hairs, all the piles sticking up. You get grit and dirt down at the bottom, and it wears it off way before it's time. Now you're spending time and energy you really didn't want to. What you're going to want to do is go out and get a floor mat, but you're just going to get some generic floor mat that fits. Maybe it doesn't fit. Maybe it's cut for it. Maybe it's not. Wouldn't it be nice if you could get something that was period correct, that actually looked like it was made for the truck, just like they had them back in the day? Yeah, it would. Let's go take a look. You see that? Don't that just look right?